In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix internet not connected and no connections are available on your Windows. So let's get started. It's just a very easy thing to fix. So first is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type internet options. Okay, click on internet options under the best match. Once your internet properties window will be up, or open, you just need to click on the Connections tab. Here you will find the local area network LAN settings. Click on the LAN settings button. So you need to make sure right here that the automatically detect settings, the button is enabled by checking on the button, and make sure that there is no proxy enabled for your LAN. So simply uncheck this option for use a proxy server for your LAN and click on OK. Click on the Advanced tab. Now click this option, Restore Advanced Settings. Click on Apply and click on OK. And then that's it. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now on the right pane, you will find the option Run as Administrator. Click on that. So I'm just going to paste the command right here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. So this is netsh space int space ip space reset space c colon backslash resetlog.txt space netsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. So you will see that a lot of settings right here has been reset. So simply type exit. It will ask you to restart the computer. So hit enter and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.